Hello children, how are you all? Welcome in your English class with your book Pebbles of Grammar Class 7 by Magic Mind from Galaxy Publications. Let's start chapter number 10, Verbs, the future. Let's learn children, forms denoting future time. Will, shall, going to. Tomorrow will be a holiday. I am going to Dalhousie next week. Present continuous say present simple. The teacher is organizing a debate on current situation. Our winter vacation begins next week. Be plus infinitive future continuous tense देखेंगे. The train is to leave the station. We will be leaving for Kashmir next Sunday. Future perfect continuous. Future perfect है we will have finished the project by 7 o'clock. I will have been working with this office for 5 years by the end of this month. Remember, be plus infinitive is not very often used. So, will, shall, future simple sentence. We use will or shall to talk about action that will happen in the future. Examples हैं इनके I shall or will start my new hobby next week. The teacher will not allow student to cheat in the exams. इनको आप खुद पढ़ेंगे children. Will, shall form. Will is generally used with all persons. Will is generally used with all persons. Shall instead of will may be used with the first person. Short form इनकी ये है, आपने पढ़नी है इनको, ओके? ये सब आप रीड करेंगे, राइट? एग्जाम्पल्स हैं I'll play in the evening, I won't go to school tomorrow. Uses of will, shall. We use will when we decide to do something as we speak. जब हम कुछ करने का डिसाइड कर लेते हैं. I haven't done my homework yet. I will finish it now. I don't know the answer. I think I'll ask my teacher. We use will when offering help or service. I will carry your bag for you. I'll open the door for you. We use will to accept a request or agree to an action. Will you join us for a trip? Sure, I will. Can you come to my house this evening? Yes, I'll be there. Will is used when giving a commitment or promise. Example, I will always support you. I'll help you with the project. Will can be used to ask someone to do a task. Examples हैं, will you please pass me the salt? Will you help me lift this box? We use will for situations. हम situations के लिए will का use करते हैं that happen automatically or naturally. Examples हैं उसके, the sun will rise at 6 a.m. tomorrow. Heavy rains will cause floods in low-lying areas. Will can describe what is likely to happen in general. Examples, people will need more water in summer. Technology will continue to change our lives. अब आते हैं going to form पर. Is our am plus going to plus root form of the verb. Mother is going to buy me a new dress. I am going to buy a new car. Uses of going to देखेंगे. We use going to when someone has already decided to do something. I am going to start learning guitar next month. She is going to bake a cake for her friend's birthday. They are going to organize a cricket match on Sunday. When something in the present situation shows what will happen, we use going to. ओके, प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन में अगर ये पता चल जाए कि क्या होगा, तब हम गोइंग टू का यूज करते हैं. लुक एट दोज डार्क क्लाउड्स, इट इज गोइंग टू रेन सून. बी केयरफुल, यू आर गोइंग टू स्लिप ऑन दैट वेट फ्लोर. द चाइल्ड इज रनिंग सो फास्ट, ही इज गोइंग टू फॉल. डिफरेंस क्या है विल, शैल और गोइंग टू में? विल, शैल यूज्ड फॉर थिंग्स दैट आर बियॉन्ड आवर कंट्रोल और फॉर सडन डिसीजन मेड एट द मोमेंट. Don't touch the glass, it will break. Beyond control. I am tired, I will rest for a while. Decision at the moment. Going to used to express intentions, intentions को express करता है, plans already made और definite predictions based on evidence. I'm going to join a dance class, intention है ये, plan है एक. The sky is red at sunset, it is going to be a hot day tomorrow, ये है एक prediction. Present continuous with a future meaning. Study these sentences carefully. We are paying them a visit this weekend. We are spending our holidays in Paris this year. In these sentences, the present continuous tense has been used to denote an action that someone has arranged to do in the future. Okay? फ्यूचर में कुछ अरेंज किया गया है जिसको हम प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस के थ्रू आपको बता रहे हैं. दिस इज सिमिलर टू द यूज ऑफ गोइंग टू विद अ subtle difference, that is going to means an intention to perform an action, whereas the present continuous tense suggests that some arrangements has also been made. So going to हमारी intention को बताता है कि हम कोई action perform करने वाले हैं और present continuous tense ये बताता है कि कुछ arrangements हैं जो future के लिए किए जा रहे हैं. So, present simple with the future meaning, study these sentences carefully. The function starts at 5 p.m. and ends at 9 p.m. The vacation begins next Monday. Sometimes the simple present tense is used to denote a program of timetable in the future. In the sentences given above, the speaker's intention does not matter. So they can be written as the function will start at 5 p.m. and it will end at 9 p.m. The vacation will begin next Monday. Future continuous में क्या होता है बच्चों? It is used to denote something that will be happening at the certain time in the future. कि future में एक certain time पर ये हो रहा होगा. Example इसके अभी पढ़ते हैं, पहले फॉर्म्स देखेंगे. विल, शैल प्लस बी प्लस ing फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब आएगी, जैसे कि एट 10 o'clock टुमारो आई विल बी ट्रैवलिंग टू दिल्ली. एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम है 10 o'clock टुमारो, मैं दिल्ली की यात्रा पर होऊंगा. दिस टाइम नेक्स्ट वीक वी विल बी प्लेइंग इन द फाइनल मैच. डोंट कॉल मी एट 8 p.m. आई विल बी हैविंग डिनर. मैं उस समय डिनर कर रहा होऊंगा. Future perfect is used to denote something that will be finished or complete before a certain time in the future. कि future में एक certain time से पहले या तब तक ये काम खत्म हो जाएगा. Will have, shall have plus past participle form of the verb का use करेंगे. By tomorrow morning, I will have completed my homework. She will have reached the station before the train leaves. They will have built the new library by next year. We often use by plus future time, by tomorrow, by next week, by 5 p.m. Future perfect continuous tense. देखेंगे, it is used to denote an action that will start before a future time, continues for some times and still be happening at that future time. मतलब जो कि start होता है future time से पहले, कंटिन्यू रहता है कुछ समय तक और फिर फ्यूचर टाइम में भी वो हो ही रहा होगा. विल, शैल प्लस हैव बीन प्लस ing फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. बाय जून आई विल हैव बीन लिविंग इन दिस सिटी फॉर 10 years. एट 7 p.m. शी विल हैव बीन कुकिंग फॉर 2 hours. बाय नेक्स्ट मंथ दे विल हैव बीन वर्किंग ऑन द प्रोजेक्ट फॉर 6 months. Let's practice, children. Put the verbs in these sentences in the going to form. Going to form में हमें लिखना है next time I'm going to turn 15. Shimla is soon going to have a heavy snowfall. The family is going to move a new flat in Dwarika. He is going to carry a raincoat. Suman is going to participate in the school choir. Okay? These sentences, children, you will make yourself. हम आगे चलेंगे. Riti is going camping next week. She is talking about her plan. वो अपने plan के बारे में बता रही है. Fill in the blanks with words that indicate future tense. Okay. I will carry 3 shirts, 2 pair of jeans, 2 water bottles and 4 chocolates on the camping trip. It will take us 5 hours to reach the camping site. All students will have to inform their parents about exact locations. Rest message you will complete yourself. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verb in future continuous tense. At this time tomorrow, I will be studying, okay, in the school library. The children will be playing cricket in the park in the evening. She will be watching her favorite TV show when you call her. By 10 a.m. we will be traveling on our way to Agra. Okay? इसी तरह से इन चारों sentences को भी आप खुद से बनाएंगे. Fill in the blanks with the future perfect tense of the verbs given in the brackets. By next year, the engineers will have completed the new bridge across the river. I will have prepared the project report before the meeting start. The farmers will have harvested their crops by the time the rain arrives. By next Monday, the students will have finished their final exams. Rest of the sentences you will do yourself. Rewrite these sentences in the future perfect continuous tense using the words in the brackets at the end of each sentence. Okay. The children will have been playing football in the park for 2 hours. The teacher will have been explaining the chapter for half an hour. My cousins will have been staying with us during summer vacation for 2 weeks. I will have been reading this novel for 3 days. The workers will have been repairing the bridge for several months. She will have been practicing the piano for 5 years. इसी तरह से बच्चों आप इन सभी sentences को खुद से दोबारा future perfect continuous tense में बदलकर लिखेंगे. So children, this chapter ends here. I hope that this is clear to you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.